5 Best Portable Air Conditioners. Number 5. Friedrich PH14B 4-in-1 Air Conditioner. Heater, dehumidifier, condensate overflow protection. Self-to-evaporation condensate system. It's practical and flexible. Remote control included. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Honeywell MN10 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. No drip design, uses auto evaporation system. Dehumidification up to 70 pints per 24 hours. Digital LCD display with feather touch controls. Full function remote control. Dehumidifying areas up to 450 square feet. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Haier HPN12XCM. Cools rooms 350 to 525 square foot. Full function remote. Time or temperature display. Digital temperature adjust. 3 cooling or 3 fan speeds. Item weight, 74.8 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Newair AC14100V. Control timer and sleep functions. The convenient wireless remote. Automatically maintains your ideal temperature. Auto temperature control for your convenience. Portable unit is easy to move. Studio apartments or light commercial spaces. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Dell Epoch N120EU. 12,000 BTU HR cooling power. 3-in-1 operation cooling. Easily portable due to its durable caster wheels. Tool-free installation in minutes. Bucketless operation. The BioSilver air filter traps bacteria. Please check the description for detail and price.